Hi, my name is Miss Grace. I'm an instructor here at Orange Easel, a children's art studio in downtown Liberty, Missouri. At the moment, I am set for a blacklight party, which is one of the many parties we have here at Orange Easel. This one has black lights, slime, volcanoes, and a blacklight painting. But that's enough of that. Today we're going to talk about pumpkins. This is Leveling Up with Miss Grace. So from October to November, we do a lot of pumpkin-related projects at the studio. So today I put together a compilation of some of my favorites over the past couple of months. Enjoy! I hope you had fun seeing some of the different ways we made pumpkins this season, and here's some of the pumpkins our students made. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. If you're local, feel free to come in and take a class. If you're not local, go ahead and look us up at orangeeaselart.com and see if you can sign up for the Creation Nation and take some of these classes with us. See you next time.